good morning. Welcome to a brand new day. As the sun rises, so does the opportunity to shine your light on the world. Let's begin this morning with intention, with purpose, and with gratitude. Take a deep breath in and gently let it out. Feel the air in your lungs, bringing in new energy as you exhale. Let go of any worries you may have. Allow yourself to be fully present right here, right now. Today is a gift, a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your story. You have within you all the real strength, wisdom, and creativity needed to make this day extraordinary. Set an intention for today. It could be as simple as staying positive, being kind to yourself and others, or taking one step closer to your dreams. Whatever it is, hold it in your mind and let it guide your actions and thoughts throughout the day. Remember, you are in control of your mindset. Choose to embrace positivity no matter what challenges may come your way. You have the power to turn obstacles into opportunities and to see the good in every situation. As you go about your day, carry this sense of peace with you. Approach each moment with mindfulness and let gratitude be your companion. Celebrate the small victories, the little joys, and know that you are exactly where you need to be. You are capable. You are worthy. You are enough. Go out and make today amazing. Let your light shine brightly and fill your life with positivity and love. The world needs what only you can offer. Have a wonderful day. You've got this.